If you're looking for the best possible deal on Hostinger right now, there's no need to waste time searching through outdated coupon codes. The easiest way to unlock the maximum discount is by using the link in the description. That link takes you directly to Hostinger's official discount page, where the savings are already applied automatically. Hostinger is a great choice whether you're starting a blog, building a business website, or launching an online store. It comes with a simple dashboard, one-click WordPress installation, and even an AI website builder to help you get started quickly. On top of that, you get free SSL and weekly backups included, no hidden extra costs. To get the best value, choose the premium plan and go with the 48-month option. This is where things really get interesting. When you reach checkout, you'll see an additional discount applied on top of the already reduced price. This brings your monthly cost down significantly and locks in that low rate for the next 4 years. And the best part? There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. If you want to secure this deal, check out the link in the description and activate the discount before the offer changes.